In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. There are enough number of people who think that they have been victimized. Their rights has been violated and they have been mistreated. Not only this, rather they think that there is no compensation here in this world because the country they are living in is not having a very good system of justice, and they are not very resourceful, they are weak. The victim is weak, the justice system of the country is very weak, is very unjust, and they have been mistreated by the powerful people in the society, by someone who is powerful in the society. So there is a very good news for these people. There is a very good news for these people. What this good news is, the life we are living in is not forever. We are not here forever. Rather, we are here for a short span of time. On the one hand, we are here for a short span of time. On the other hand, the time is passing very quickly, and our life will be finished very soon. We will be in our graves. We will be raised again by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and a court of Allah will be established. Whatever happened here in this world, there are two angels sitting on the shoulders of each and every human being. They are writing everything else, and our record will be presented there. Whatever bad we did here in this world, obviously we do have to suffer, and we will be punished. Whatever wrong we did against someone else, we will be held accountable as well. And whoever violated our rights, whoever transgressed against our rights, whoever victimized us, they too will be punished. They will be held accountable. They will be punished as well. And according to the punishment, a sort of fine upon those people, which will commensurate the depth, the intensity, the volume of the crime committed, perpetrated against us. And so will be the case. We too will be held accountable. We will be punished if at all we did wrong against anyone else here in this world. So that is why I think so that we should be very careful. On the one hand, that we should not be doing any wrong against anyone else at all, and we should be a God fearing person. On the other hand, if at all we are unable to seek the justice, we are unable to get the justice here in this world, we should not be worried at all. As we have to be raised, we will be raised again. We will be made alive again, and we will be given a life which will be unending. We will be given an unending life, and at the beginning of that life, there will be a sort of justice, and this justice will be absolutely right, will be 100% right. There will be no lacuna and no flaw, and no effort needed, no resources needed to get the compensation. And how the things will be done and handled over there. The aggressors, whatever good they had done here in this world, whatever good they did here in this world, the prize of that, the reward of that will be given to the people against whom this person had committed wrongs. And if at all the good deeds have been distributed, but still there are people left who have not been compensated yet, who have not been given the compensation yet. The bad deeds of the victims will be given to this person, will be handed over to this person. This person who was unscrupulous, who was committing excesses against other people, who was violating the rights of the other people, who was abusing other people, who was trying to usurp, loot and cheat the rights of the other people. So this is the reason I think so that there is no need to worry at all. No need to worry at all, because we will be given the justice, and we will be compensated. We will be compensated at a time which will be very, very important for us, which will be crucial. Although we are eager to get the compensation, but let me tell you that will be the time when we will be in a very dire need. That will be the time when we will be in a dire need to get the compensation, Why? Because our future will be under the consideration, and our future will be about to be decided, the future of an unending life. So I am of the view that we should be trusting Allah Rabbul Izzat, and we shouldn't be worried much. Rather, we should be hand over all of these things to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, and we should have a complete trust. We should have a complete trust in the system, and the system of justice which is going to be prevailed by Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Jazakallah.